TVC 22 vous souhaite la bienvenue de l'expo à Clarence Rockland.
Hi, my name is Jake. I'm with the Clarence Rockland Ghostbusters of Upper Canada. We're here today at the Clarence Rockland Expo. We're showing off some of our equipment, props, and collectibles as seen in the film Ghostbusters. Part of what our group does is we try to support local charities and nonprofits. So we're always out at different charity events in Eastern Ontario, and we're always supporting some kind of charity. So today we're collecting donations for Ukrainian humanitarian aid. We're also selling raffle tickets for Barking Beauties. So we're always out trying to help other groups with fundraising and help with their mission. Another thing that we do besides try to show everybody our love of Ghostbusters, we try a little bit to educate people about the history in Clarence Rockland and in Upper Canada. So what we do is we post a lot about the history in our city and all the great stuff that you can find at local museums and stuff like that.
Hi, my name is Dinah Kirkwood. I'm with Radio CJRC, Clarence Rockland. Welcome to our radio station. We are a community radio station bilingual that has just started. We are currently on internet radio and we have a Facebook page. The mandate of our radio station is to broadcast emergency news, local news, sports, music from the 70s to the 90s, podcast, talk show host, and we are running 24/7.
Hi, I'm Stephanie Marcel. I'm here with the Rockland Community Garden. We are building Rockland's first community garden in Alain Potvin Park. We're super excited. We're so close to breaking ground, but we're still raising funds and looking for sponsors. We have a project plan that's going to start out small. So this year we're going to have about 24 beds. And with everyone's generous support, we're hoping to expand in the coming years. So yeah, we hope to hear from you. Reach out to us. We're on Instagram, Facebook. We've got email. If you're interested in supporting and helping build Rockland's first community garden, and we hope to see you out at the garden.
Bonjour, mon nom est Charlie Gagnon du service d'incendie de Clarence Rockland. Nous sommes ici, comme à chaque année, pour sensibiliser les gens à la sécurité incendie. Et nous avons ici un hazardous kitchen, une cuisine dangereuse, où est-ce qu'on essaie de sensibiliser les gens à être sécuritaires alentour des cuisines. À ce même sujet, nous tentons, comme à chaque année, on fait de la grosse publicité à sensibiliser les gens pour maintenir leur système d'alarme d'incendie. Les avertisseurs de fumée sont importants à maintenir. On demande aux gens aussi, quand que les alarmes à fumée ils sonnent, c'est important de nous contacter, les services d'incendie, parce que des fois, les gens ils savent pas pourquoi ils sonnent. Donc, nous, on est là pour les assister dans le cas de que ce soit un monoxyde de carbone, détecteur de monoxyde de carbone ou de fumée qui sonne. Donc, il est très important de les maintenir à chaque année. Puis, le département d'incendie de Clarence Rockland, on est là pour vous assister avec ça. Puis, entre autres, on a des événements publics à chaque année où est-ce qu'on est ici pour participer et aider avec la communauté, avec leurs besoins. Puis, en aucun cas, s'il y a des questions ou quoi que ce soit, on est toujours là pour vous répondre.
Hi, I'm Hadassah. This is Check-In Market. We are an Afro-Caribbean market where we sell Afro-Caribbean products from Africa and overseas. We sell chicken, fish, different meats, oxtail, anything that you're looking for. We sell spices that are not regularly seen here in Rockland. And we also have a restaurant coming very soon called Halo Chef Kitchen, where we will serve ready-to-go meals. If you want to for takeout, dine in, that's what we're here for. We're here to bring diversity and something new in Rockland. Thank you.
Not driving impaired. That includes alcohol, that includes drugs. Hi, I'm in the MAD booth today, which is the Mothers Against Drunk Driving booth at the Rockland Expo. Our purpose for being here is twofold. One, it's to create and make sure the awareness is out there for not driving impaired. That includes alcohol, that includes drugs. And the second part is that we're a victim services component to all the victims. This wall behind me is full of dead people. People have died, people have been killed by people who have driven impaired. My wife is here. Her brother, unfortunately, is on this poster. I played soccer with another person who's on this poster. It happens. I'm a police officer. Impaired driving still happens every day. It needs to stop. We need to put the awareness out there, not only on the people that drive, but the people that are with them and their friends. We got to stop it. Thank you.
Hi there. We're from the 137 Royal Canadian Army Cadets Corps. We're a new corps settling in Rockland in September. We will be parading out of L'Escale High School. And we are very excited to bring the Army Cadet program into Rockland and offer this free youth program to youth between the ages of 12 and 18. And the Army Cadet program focuses on outdoor survival, like canoeing, hiking, biking, camping, all those lovely things that we can do outdoors. But we also compete in biathlons and in marksmanship. And so we're really excited to be here in the community with the start of our new corps in September. And we hope that the youth of Rockland will come and join us.
Bonjour, je m'appelle Marco Malbeuf. Je suis ici en représentant CAPRAC, c'est le Conseil des arts de Prescott et Russell. On est ici avec quelques de nos artistes membres qui sont ici pour promouvoir et supporter leurs œuvres.
Donc, bonjour Bernard, on vous souhaite la bienvenue de chez TVC 22. Donc, on est choyé de vous avoir déjà en émission avec nos programmations. Oui. Donc, voulez-vous nous parler aujourd'hui? Qu'est-ce que vous faites?
Ici, je suis là comme membre de CAPRAC, le Conseil des arts de Prescott-Russell. Alors, dans la région, tout ça, il faut s'impliquer. Alors, j'invite les gens, jeunes, nouveaux artistes, etc., même ceux qui me regardent à la télévision, qui pataugent un petit peu, des fois, on ne sait pas, mais on peut devenir artiste, puis on peut avancer là-dedans. J'entends beaucoup de gens qui ont pris la retraite, etc., alors, c'est le temps de faire vos pas puis devenir membre de l'association CAPRAC, Conseil des arts de Prescott-Russell, dont je fais partie. Puis je suis heureux d'être là pour motiver les gens puis embarquer dans le domaine artistique et cheminer là-dedans, en tout cas.
Parfait, merci. Donc, Bernard, son émission va passer à tous les dimanches à 1h. Donc, on va avoir 10 bels épisodes de Bernard en studio. Merci.
Hi, I'm Anne Lizette. I'm the organizer of the Expo Clarence Rockland. Today is Sunday. It's the last day of the Expo. We just finished having JoJo on stage. It was a hit. The kids, there was inflatable outside of the arena. We have over 125 exhibitors that are throughout this CIH arena in Clarence Rockland. This year, the Expo was at the beginning of May, And next year, usually we're between end of April, beginning of May, so you can check the website. Usually we have our dates by October, November, and you can then figure out if you'd like to be an exhibitor or if you want to be a visitor for the next Expo. I invite all of you. It's a great fun for the whole family.